The BJP is continuing with its poll blitz. In fact, the Prime Minister Modi's campaign blitz continued today, and this time in Rajasthan. He, of course, launched a scathing attack on the Congress and Sonia Gandhi during his election speech in Rajasthan's Jalo today. The Prime Minister slammed the Congress, stating that the party, which once won 400 seats, now is struggling to even fight on 300 seats. In fact, he even accused the India bloc of infighting instead of focusing on the people. In a veiled dig at Sonia Gandhi, who has entered the Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan, the Prime Minister said that those that cannot fight elections enter the upper house through the Rajasthan.
जो लोग चुनाव नहीं लड़ सकते, चुनाव जीत नहीं सकते, मैदान भाग के इस बार राजस्थान से राज्यसभा में आए हैं। अब देखिए, कांग्रेस ने देश पर 60 साल तक राज किया। देश का युवा इतना गुस्से में है, वो दोबारा कांग्रेस का मुंह देखना नहीं चाहता है। जिस पार्टी ने कभी 400 सांसद जीते थे उनके, आज वो 300 सीट पे चुनाव नहीं लड़ पा रहे हैं। इन्होंने अवसरवादी इंडी अलायंस बना लिया है। उसकी पतंग उड़ने से पहले ही कट गई है।
My colleague Gajraj joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Gajraj, of course, the Prime Minister has launched a scathing attack on the Congress in the past as well, but this seems to be the first direct attack on Sonia Gandhi, and this time again he is talking about the fact that top Congress leaders are shying away from elections and, of course, are even scared to fight elections against the BJP.
Not only in Congress High Command, but in Rajasthan also, the Congress top leadership is not directly fighting the polls, but rather campaigning in several constituencies. We'll talk about Ashok Gehlot. He's campaigning for his son Vaibhav Gehlot, who is fighting from Jalore, and he's also star campaigner from Congress. Sachin Pilot, Govind Dotara. These are also the senior leaders in the state of Rajasthan, and PM has spoke about Sonia Gandhi today directly, and he has named her because Manmohan Singh was also, named into Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan, and Sonia Gandhi has now taken an entry from Rajasthan into the Rajya Sabha. So the PM is, mentioning the fact that the Congress, the senior leadership is not directly fighting into polls where, the people's voice come in, rather, choosing the easy way to get into the Rajya Sabha and get some, the top of the table studio.